welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a mouse trail in Scratch. So it's pretty easy and we can do it with any character we like. So let's first start off by deleting this character and going and I'm choosing our sprite. So I'll choose this ball, and when you click on it you'll see the ball over here. We can make an animation with this ball. So when you go to costume you see all these animations over here, all these color balls. We can turn all this into an animation. But first off, I'll start changing all these colors of the ball so it can look like changing the color of a rainbow. Alright, so I changed the colors of all these balls. That's now it's not, but now it's making so that now I can make an animation of a rainbow ball. And yeah, as you can see, I made a gradient color in each ball. So if you like, you can also design that yourself. So now let's start coding. So first you go to code, and then now for making an animation, you go to looks and get this block called, let's find the next costume. And let's go to control and get this forever loop. Let's see where it is. Okay, over here. And now when we click on it, let's get this ball to the center. And now when you click on it, you can see that it's changing everything and it looks like an animation now. So we are done with the animation part. Now let's move on to the next part. Now the next part is to try to make the mouse trail. So first things first, you have to go, when you go to control and scroll down over here, you might see that there's these 3 blocks. When I start as a clone, create a clone of myself, delete this clone. So when you create a clone of yourself, click on it, there'll appear 2 balls. And we click on it and it'll make a whole ball set. So this should happen. So while we are moving our cursor, the one ball should make another ball and it should turn out like a mouse trail. So the code to this is, first you have to go to motion and get this, go to random position over here. Let's see where that is. Go to random position and then we'll change it to mouse pointer. So now when you run the code, it could follow us, but it's not following us right now because we have to click on this and look. Now it's following our cursor wherever we go. So now we want this to make multiples to make a huge mouse trail. So in order for that, let's stop this. In order for that, let's go to control, scroll all the way down and get when I start as a clone, and then create a clone of myself. So we'll need these 2 blocks. And then when we go to motion, when we go to looks, we'll get this block called change ghost effect by 25, and then we'll put it under the change ghost effect. And then we'll put it under the when I start as a clone. Then we put this block in here, like that. Alright, so this is the code. Let's go to events and let's get this one flag clicked. Now when we start the flag, you see we have a total mouse trail. But we haven't even looked at the background yet. So I don't want to choose any background from this, so I'll just go to paint and I'll create my own background. So the type of background that I have in mind is should just fill the whole screen with black. So I'll just get a paintbrush, make it 100, and then I'll fill the whole thing with black. I don't need to do something professional. I'll just scribble all over the place to make it all black. And now when you go to ball code, now let's run the code. Now you see you got your own mouse trail, and if you like to reset it, you can always click on the stop button and then reset it again to have another mouse trail of yourself. You can also interact with more characters that you can use. Instead of only a ball, you can use other animations, like maybe this person over here or this basketball person. Anything is okay. It can be even this. It can be any animation, and it doesn't only have to be animation. It can be even non-animation characters. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share my channel to those who are interested in coding just like me. And please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you won't miss a single video of mine. See you all in the next video. Bye!